Several years ago, I made what became an award-winning documentary, 32 minutes only, but why? To demonstrate what's possible. Here's a bit of the trailer. What do you think? Ever since I was a little girl, there were a variety of things that I wanted to do. One was ride my own motorcycle. I found these amazing people, amputees and people that had, all kinds of challenges that overcame them, and the motorcycle was part of that therapy.